In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up your computer for mobile packaging. We'll download and install everything you need for creating Symbian Series 60 and Windows Mobile Smartphone packages. Now, if you've already got the mobile packager installed, all you need to do is uninstall it, then get the new one from this URL, and you're ready to go. You can skip the rest of this tutorial. The first thing you need is Windows XP, updated through Service Pack 2 or 3. Then you can download the new mobile packager from adobe.com/go/distribute. The welcome screen will help you install the next two items. You'll need Active Perl version 5.6.1 and the Symbian SDK 3rd edition. Now, even if you have Active Perl and Symbian SDKs on your system already, it's important to install these from the mobile packager welcome screen. Here we are in Windows, and I've launched the packager so I can use these handy links over on the right-hand side of the welcome screen. First, let's download Perl. Just click on that. That takes you here to this link, and save the file to your desktop. That happens almost instantly, and then we can get it and launch it and run the setup wizard or lizard. Now let's click Next and accept the terms. Click Next again, click Next again, and again, and now click Install. Now this will run through a few things here. And when it's done, all we have to do is click Finish. Now we're ready to install the Symbian SDK. So I'll click on the next link here, and that brings up the download over here. Now that'll take a few minutes to download because this is a big file. I've already got it, so I'm going to go ahead and cancel that, but you can let it run, and I'll show you what to do in the meantime. When the Symbian SDK finishes downloading, you can go ahead and unzip it to a folder on your desktop. Then click setup.exe to launch it, and run it like this. Here's what it looks like. Now I'll click Next and Yes, and then select the compact installation. This just skips a few of the example files and saves a bit of memory on your system. Now I'll accept the default path and click Next again. And now it will run through the setup process. This takes a few minutes because there are quite a few files here. But when it's done, I'll come back and show you what to do. Now the SDK is almost finished installing. We'll go ahead and accept this default and click Finish. Now I'll show you what to do inside the packager to check that your installation is complete. Now I'll click this button in the middle, Test Configuration, and it still thinks I need to install the Symbian SDK, which I just did. The answer to this is to close the mobile packager and relaunch it again. Now when I test the configuration, it says all the required SDKs are installed, so we're set up and ready to start making our first packages.